right, we have some news just coming in. Mandi candidates offer prayers on polling day. BJP Mandi pe Kangana Ranaut's puja inside the BJP office. Congress's Vikramaditya offers prayers before voting as well. Big Vikramaditya versus Kangana fight in Mandi in Himachal Pradesh. Kamaljeet is in fact getting asked more details. Kamal is in fact in Hamirpur in Himachal today. Kangana, this is Kamal, this is an interesting fight between Kangana and Vikramaditya. One of the most interesting battles that this Lok Sabha elections has seen, isn't it? And the kind of war of words also that has been ongoing throughout this campaign, extremely aggressive. A lot of aggression from both sides, in fact. Kamal.
It's the keenest, the fiercest battle anywhere in the country. It is in Mandi because it's battle royal, because Vikramaditya comes from a royal family and Kangana Ranaut is queen of Bollywood. And obviously there seems to be a lot of high stakes for either sides. This has been a constituency where 4 of the seats all have gone into BJP, but the by-polls which happened just about some time back, the by-poll of Mandi went the Congress way. Now since 1952, at least 14 of the 20 times it's been Congress which has won the seat, and at least 6 times has been the seat of the Veerbhadra family, which is Vikramaditya's father. And then thereafter we've also seen 5 times is when BJP came in. This is where a sudden surprise factor came in, and now Kangana Ranaut had been making political statements 2-3 years before her formal entry into BJP, and finally when she decided to take this particular chance and BJP fielding her, this is obviously a test of fire, what we call as the Agni Pariksha. A lot of is at stake, even for Jairam Thakur. Remember, there are 6 by-polls as well, but all eyes only seem to be on Mandi, and this is where there seems to be a very close battle fought between Vikramaditya and her. It can go either which way. We've been to Mandi several times, and every time we go there, it seems the battle can go any which way. So this is obviously where BJP is telling us that at least dominated by the BJP.
Okay, we'll go back to Kamal, in fact, in a few moments from now. But Rashid Kidwai also continues to be with us. Senior journalist, political analyst. Rashid Kidwai, your take as far as Mandi is concerned. I mean, it is a prestige battle at the end of the day. The Prime Minister's campaigned for her. He calls Kangana his younger sister, so to speak. It's the Prime Minister's, full support as far as her candidature is concerned, given that she's obviously an outsider, has just joined the party and has been given an opportunity to contest from here, isn't it?
Sneha, you have posed a very interesting question. Actually, when it is so to say that Bollywood Tadka, then conventional wisdom, all the permutation, combination, the caste, community, vote equations, they just go haywire from days of Amitabh Bachchan and Achin Bahuguna election. I have documented many in my books also, in my reporting. So therefore, I see a head start for Kangana. There are a lot of, too many pluses. You're talking about, Prime Minister's sort of, blessings to Kangana, Kangana's own, so to say, political curiosity in her by many voters, young voters, women voters. So I see a lot of difficulty for Vikramaditya, though there are 4 MLAs from that constituency which belong to the Congress. So as terms of numbers, if you go by past election, Vikramaditya would be seen as a favourite. But in my assessment, it is going to be all the way Kangana.
All right, I'm going to in fact ask you to be with us, listening to what Kangana Ranaut and Vikramaditya have had to say about their challenge.
मैंने जो है वो वोट दिया है और मेरी सबसे अपील है जिन जिन क्षेत्रों में आज जो है वोटिंग हो रही है, इस जो हमारा सबसे बड़ा संवैधानिक अधिकार है, इस लोकतंत्र के महापर्व में जो है वो बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लें। और आज ऐसा लगता है जैसे कोई उत्सव है, हमारे सरका घाट में तो लग रहा है जैसे कोई उत्सव है। इस लोकतंत्र के महापर्व में जो है हिस्सा लें।
मेरा वही निवेदन है कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग मतदान करने आए, युवा, बुजुर्गवान, महिलाएं, आपको ये अधिकार आपके संविधान में मिला है और उसका सही उपयोग करना ये हम सबका दायित्व बनता है। इसलिए मेरा सभी मतदाताओं से निवेदन है कि शाम 5-6 बजे तक मतदान होगा, तो सब अपने मतदान केंद्र पर जाए और भारी से भारी संख्या में मतदान करें।